Alright, now.
Ladder. Hey, that was retarded. This car's gonna be so dirty. Your mother. Ladder. Where are we going?
Alright, now. Ladder.
Recording.
Wait, bro. Honestly, dude, I feel like we're cool as fuck. Fuck yeah. Hi, kid, that nigga touched me.
What the fuck? Ouch! I think that was a cop that literally just passed.
Hey, how do you zoom in?
Where'd it go?
Which is
Left.
Left or what?
It's like a little. Wait, Michael.
Left,
Left. What am I saying, Abraham?
Take left, bro. You stupid bitch. Shut up.
Retard Abraham.
Small dick nigga.
You, Anus. I'm gonna run over one of these retards on a bike.
You won't.
What the fuck are they doing?
They drive faster than I do.
Why is this Mercedes going
Okay,
so
yeah,
slow?
why is the Mercedes going so slow? They're also turning fucking left.
Oh my god, better be braking at a green light.
Retard!
Oh,
Speed past them,
Ali,
speed past them, press on it, press on it, press on it.
sick blinker, retard.
Nice ass.
Retard, oh shit.
And you're gonna keep going straight over there.
Okay. Noted. Duly noted. Yee, I do wanna die.
You're welcome.
Come on, should go back.
Kodak Black.
Oh, look at that Porsche.
Alright, where? Straight?
I'm
Straight?
yes.
Oh, so we're literally going to
Ooh, straight to remember, go.
Nigga!
It's giving you more power to the car. So we're all gonna fucking die.
It'd be like that though.
Really do.
Like, the way it
Real talk, Jose, we should make a porno here. Cause it be like that sometimes.
Because the way it be like the way it be when it be like
No,
the
we
way
should do
it
this.
be,
I'll be like one of us could be riding like his bike and we'll crash into one. Y'all will be like, we're sorry we hit you. Is there a way we can make it up? You know? Look.
Would you be down?
Damn, the river's pretty cool. Hey, take a picture. You won't. Look.
What is Zohar?
You wanna swim in the water? Dude, I see a piranha.
Those brownies were low-key trash.
I'm a piranha.
I keep farting. Nigga, who farted in the car?
Here we are in the Chattabuchi River, about to explore the abandoned bridge.
I'm putting music over that. Screw that.
Hey.
Watch out, Speds.
Fucking retard, you're gonna run to your rape death.
Zohar,
What if I wanna get raped?
We come explore. No trespassing.
Ow!
Fucking shit, my. Ow.
That's funny?
Oh shoot.
There's a bomb. Tap it twice and it probably blows up. Low-key though, that probably looks, it's probably a bomb.
That's not a bomb.
Texas.
Nigga, what is it? It's a fucking
You would know it's not a bomb.
It's a
Gum. Nice ass.
Now that you're vlogging, you can actually catch one of us falling in there.
Oh, fuck no.
Yeah, Nigga.
Oh shit, they blocked it off?
Of course, you gotta climb in. Bro.
Ladder. Ladder.
Zoom out. Zoom out, baby. Because we gotta go in there right now. Abraham. Ooh.
Ladder.
Whoa.
Retard.
Look at that
How the
boy.
fuck does Kun get in here?
So quick. Look. Rolly. Ooh.
It's a Michael course. Stupid.
Oh shit. Real talk, if a white guy comes running out of gun, with me out of gun, I'm
Boy, crazy.
I'll call my uncle. How did we try to get in? Go underneath.
You have to go under. Oh, snacks. If I fall with this camera and break it, imagine.
Nigga, I'm almost get up on my phone when you phone to my desk.
You hold this?
I'd rather get wet.
Baby?
Huh?
Is it recording? Zoha.
Move, refund.
Sped. Hold up. It's too zoomed in. Bro, I'm a little ugly.
Violators will be
My shoe's stuck.
I'm walking like this, nigga. You can't put yourself up, fat ass. I got it.
Watch him flip over.
Fucking sped. Ouch. Jose, how the fuck did you get there so fast, you dirty Mexican? Yeah. Ladder. Bro, I gotta fart. Ooh. Taco Bell Supreme. Taco Bell.
A bird flew right past Jose.
Oh my god, it's a fucking bird.
Wanna go?
Bye, Fabian. Yeah, I'm probably gonna stay here. Hell no, I'm not going.
Oh, this at night, dude.
Here, hold this. Hold this camera if you're
No,
not going.
nigga.
Imagine.
Bye, Jose.
Imagine I drop this camera right now. Like a vlogger. What the trespass? Dude, I'm scared of heights. Yeah, why are you coming behind me?
There's no other way to fucking go, dumbass. I
He went through the middle.
gotta take a shit.
Jose sped. I gotta poop.
Nigga, I gotta take a big old shit.
Here, go past me.
Straight down.
You can keep going if you want. It don't matter.
Alright, now.
Ladder.
Nigga, that was retarded. This car's gonna be so dirty. Your mother.
Ladder.
Where are we going?
Alright, now.
Ladder.
Recording. You on a race now?
Talk to the camera.
Bro, it's gonna just be a lot of what's it called?
If you don't talk to the camera, let me talk to the camera first. Yo, yo, yo. Here we are. Unbelievable how circumstances like this is
Sped.
Oh my god.
Yo, you fucking look sick.
Just trying to
Yeah,
have a
we on
school.
Over here. Sped.
Why?
So you can get the twack hood.
Reflected?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get a picture like this too, bro.
Bro, I'm gonna smell like straight ash. I hope this isn't like dirty. You know what? Alright, hold on.
Be cute.
Yeah, bro, be cute.
One. I don't know what to do.
Are you scared?
Don't do your depressing ass shit where you like curl your face and you fucking.
Bro,
Oh yeah. Quick shake.
Quick check.
Quick shake.
Hey, this picture's actually looking fun.
Ooh,
Yeah, that
girl,
one's good.
look at that. Ooh, hold up, focus. Oh, snack. Oh, shit. It
So,
ain't
I don't know
focus.
what you're doing.
Give the camera to Michael or Jose.
Nigga, you don't know what you're doing.
They said I just took some fucking.
No,
good pictures.
give the camera to Jose at least. Give it to Jose.
Nigga.
Yeah, bro.
Fucking fiend.
Fortnite.
Do the rocket one.
My name is Mike and I. Welcome to MTV's crib.
TV crib.
My tractor. My house. That's where I sleep at night.
Ladder.
Bro, this thing is so big. The boy should have never given me his keys. Easy finesse. Easy finesse.